Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm sharing my experience with flagship OLED TV I've been using, the Samsung S95F. I bought this TV from Amazon using the link in the description. So if you're planning to buy it, make sure to check the same link for the best price and available offers. First thing, the picture quality is on another level. This is a QD OLED panel, so you get perfect blacks, super vibrant colors, and very high brightness for an OLED. Everything looks rich and detailed, whether you're watching movies, YouTube, or even normal TV content. One standout feature is the glare-free screen. Even in a bright room, reflections are almost gone, so you can actually enjoy content without that mirror effect, something OLED TVs usually struggle with. Watching movies feels very cinematic. The OLED HDR Pro boosts brightness and contrast, so highlights pop more and dark scenes look deep and clean without losing detail. It really gives that premium home theater feel. Performance is powered by the NQ4 AI Gen 3 processor, which uses AI to upscale content to 4K and optimize picture and sound in real time. Even lower quality videos look sharper and cleaner, which you notice in daily use. For gaming, this TV is seriously strong. You get motion Xcelerator up to 165 Hz. So, gameplay feels extremely smooth and responsive. Fast-moving scenes stay sharp, and combined with low input lag, it's great for console and PC gaming. Sound quality is also good for a TV. With Dolby Atmos, audio feels more immersive, but for a full cinematic experience, pairing it with a soundbar will still be better. Smart features are smooth and modern. With Samsung Vision AI and Alexa built-in, everything feels fast and easy to control. Apps open quickly, and the interface is clean and responsive. Now the honest part, like most OLED TVs, it still performs best in controlled lighting for maximum contrast, even though glare handling is improved. Also, Samsung still focuses on HDR 10+ instead of Dolby Vision, which some users might miss. Overall, the Samsung S95F feels like a top-tier flagship TV. If you want one of the best picture qualities available right now, along with strong gaming performance and premium features, this is easily one of the best options in 2025. If you're thinking of buying it, check the Amazon link in the description.